Should I apply for jobs that have nothing to do with my course? Short answer, yes. Long answer, definitely yes if you're willing to learn and explore. A lot of fresh grads struggle with this. 4 years ako nag-aral, tapos ibang field ang papasukan ko. Parang sayang, parang mali. But real talk, life doesn't always follow the syllabus. Like me, BSed Mathematics ako. Walang kinalaman sa HR or recruitment, pero eto ko ngayon and I love what I do. And maybe you're feeling the same. Gusto ko mag-try, pero di ko sure kung ito na yon. And that's okay. Curiosity is not confusion, it's courage. The truth is sometimes your course prepared you for discipline, not direction. Graduation isn't the finish line, it's the reset button. So try, test, explore. Just be mindful of why you're trying. Hindi pwedeng bahala na. Dapat, let me find out if this fits me. And if you're still set on your course-based career pero walang opening, that's okay too. Try to get into a company where you can build skills and that still connect to your long-term goal. Different path, same destination. So if you're job hunting right now and unsure kung align ba sa course mo or hindi, focus muna sa learning curve. Don't wait for the perfect job, build the version of you na ready for it. And when you're ready to take the first step, Metacom is here to help you start strong.